Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by isolating the problem. Pick a high-resolution scan, 300 to 600 dpi if possible, because detail matters. Once chosen, duplicate the image file or layer and label it so you always have the untouched original. Now make a quick assessment. Is the ink opaque or scribbled lightly? Use a separate working layer and set up masks. This keeps edits reversible. These steps save time later and prevent accidental data loss, so do them before you touch the marks. You now remove the drawn-over text using targeted edits. Start with a spot heal or clone tool, low opacity and soft brush, so you blend with surrounding paper texture. Sample adjacent areas often to avoid repeating patterns. For ink that altered underlying tone, apply frequency separation to treat texture and color separately. Once done, use color correction layers to match paper grain and shadows. Move slowly, check at 100% zoom, and make small strokes. This preserves original detail while eliminating. You finish by reconstructing any lost text or texture. Use a fine brush on a new layer to suggest strokes, matching weight, angle, and pressure so the repair blends. Once satisfied, save a layered master, then flatten a copy for export as a high-resolution TIFF or PNG. If something looks off, add subtle grain or adjust contrast and hue to integrate repairs. Troubleshooting tip: when texture mismatch persists, duplicate grain from nearby areas and apply as an overlay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.